You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Mamma mia, how do you pronounce this word, meaning thank you? In Italian, it's like gracias in Spanish. Grazie, grazie is how it's said in Italian. Grazie. The stress is on the first syllable, so if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can say grazie, grazie, or in Italian, grazie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.